Welcome to the onboarding video series for Data Match Enterprise. Data Match Enterprise is a highly intuitive software application that helps you to perform data profiling, data cleansing and standardization, data matching, record deduplication, and data merge and survivorship. In this video, we will learn how to create a project in Data Match Enterprise, import data from different sources, and perform custom data import. So let's get started. When you run your DME application, you will be prompted to create a new project or open an existing one. A project in DME represents the entire data transformation process. Simply click on Create New Project and enter the project name and description. Then click OK. Your project will be created and you will land on Data Import screen. This feature allows you to add and manage multiple data files or sources within this project. Clicking on Add Data will show a list of available options for importing data into this newly created project. Under the Files tab, you can import different formats of text or Excel files. Under Databases, you can import data from different databases such as SQL Server, Oracle, Teradata, or connect to any other database using the ODBC option under this tab. Let's go back to Files and import an Excel file that contains data we need to clean. Select the Excel option and click Next. Select the required file from the Explorer and click Open. Once loaded, you can see the preview of your file in the lower panel. In case of custom import, you can select the columns you want to import from the Excel file under the Columns tab here. Once done, click Import. When your file is successfully loaded, click Close, and you'll see the file show up in your list of data sources. Next, let's import some data from an SQL server. Click on Add Data and under Databases, click on SQL Server and then Next. Enter your server name. Depending on whether your SQL server resides on the same computer or not, select your authentication method. In case of SQL Server authentication, you will be prompted to enter the username and password. Let's test the connection to see if we have successfully connected. Great. Now simply look through the available databases and select the one you want to import into this project. Once loaded, you can see the list of tables present in that database, so that you can check the ones you want to import into this project. Moreover, you can also write custom SQL for importing only the selected data records to your project. To achieve this, under Custom SQL tab, select the option to include the database connection string and write your custom SQL code here. Run the script and preview the selected records. When ready, click Import and then Close. Now you can see the selected SQL tables and the custom queried table show up in your list of data sources. From this list of data sources, you can edit the title of any source, remove it from the project, refresh it to sync any updates made to the source file, view the data source's properties, or replace it with another data source. Keep in mind that all data sources imported to Data Match Enterprise application show up under Data Library over here. You can also add any existing data to the current project by selecting the data file you want to add and clicking on this Add icon. It will load the file under the current project data. This is how DME allows you to connect with and manage a wide variety of data sources so that you can use them for subsequent processes of data cleansing, standardization, matching, deduplication, and so on. Next up, we will show you how you can profile the data you have just imported using DME. So stay tuned.